Spike in overdose deaths alarming local law enforcement. The Hamilton County Heroin Task Force saying the root cause is fentanyl.
9 on your sides. Mariel Carbone has more on what the sheriff's office is now saying.
The overdoses, they're tied back to crack cocaine, and officials say there's evidence to show that the supplies are being mixed with fentanyl, sending the overdose and overdose death rates to a frightening amount.
We want people to be aware. We want to save lives and not investigate overdose deaths.
But the reality is they are investigating these deaths, and at an increasing rate.
It's happening in different places. It's different folks. It's a steep increase in African Americans that are dying.
Tom Fallon is the investigator for the Hamilton County Heroin Task Force. He says in the last 10 days it's investigated 6 suspected crack cocaine overdose deaths. 4 of those 6 people were African American. The believed cause, fentanyl mixed into the cocaine.
There's a potential that fentanyl could be in any recreational drug out there.
He says it's a growing problem, a thought echoed by state leaders.
It's the most troubling public health crisis of a generation, I think.
Like Senator Sherrod Brown.
Where we unfortunately lead the country in deaths, about 12 people a day in our state.
Fallon only expects to see the spike in overdose deaths continue, so he's urging all users to carry Narcan and to call 911 if the high feels funny.
It could be a really tough summer for first responders if it keeps ebbing and flowing and changing, and the fentanyl patterns, you don't know what's going to be next, so it's kind of scary.
And Fallon says it's important to remember the Good Samaritan law to call 911 if you are with somebody that is experiencing an overdose. You will not be charged with possession of a drug. Mariel Carbone, 9 on your side.